Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chandrabotics. Today we will make a robotic hand or a gripper using worm drive. A worm drive is a gear arrangement in which a worm meshes with a worm gear. Worm is a gear in the form of screw. Worm gear is a simple in appearance to a spur gear. The two elements are also called the worm screw and worm wheel. Like other gear arrangements, a worm drive can reduce rotational speed or transmit higher torque. A worm is an example of a screw, one of the 6 simple machines. One of the major advantages of worm gear drive units are they can transfer motion in 90 degrees. There are many applications of worm drive. We can use worm drive in turning instruments, elevator or lifts, torsion differentials, gates and conveyor belts, etc. Today we will make a robotic hand or a gripper using worm drive. Let's start. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you think my video was helpful, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends. If you have already subscribed, then thanks anyway. But don't forget to ask your friend if robotics is their first thing. Please leave a comment below for suggestions, ideas and things you want to see on this channel. Bye now, take care and see you on the next episode of Chandrabotics.